Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are diving into a complete game changer for your streaming setup. If you have been looking for a way to supercharge your Google TV or any Android device, you are in the right place. We are talking about a single downloader code that acts as a master key to your entire streaming library. It gives you access to an ultimate collection of apps, making it essential for power users. Let us jump right into how to get this running perfectly. First, we need to install the downloader application. Head over to your app section and find the search bar. Type in downloader. Look for the orange icon, which is available directly on the official Google Play Store. Hit install and let it download. It only takes a few seconds because the application is very lightweight. Before we open the app, we have to handle a crucial technical step. By default, your device blocks third-party installations. To bypass this, navigate to your system settings. Look for the section labeled About. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Android TV OS Build. Click on that build number repeatedly 4 or 5 times. A message will pop up at the bottom of the screen saying that you are now a developer. Go back one level in your settings. Open Developer Options and make sure the toggle is switched to On. Now launch the downloader app and accept the file permissions. Click on the URL box and enter the special 5-digit code 72609. Double-check the numbers and hit OK. After a short countdown, the app will redirect you to a Linktree page called All Stores. This page aggregates the absolute best app stores currently available on the internet for Android and Google TV. Before you start downloading any third-party streaming apps, you should protect your hardware. I highly recommend using a premium VPN to run any app smoothly on your device. Turning on a VPN is essential to bypass regional blocks and stop provider throttling to prevent buffering. Once your connection is protected, you can explore the massive digital vault. One standout section is IDATIC, which features its own search engine. If you type an app name like Kodi into their search box, it will generate specific downloader codes for various versions of that app. When the download finishes, confirm the installation prompt. Always choose to delete the leftover installation file afterward to keep your device storage clean and fast. You will also find incredible stores like Kfire and Tech on this list. Entering the specific code 59859 inside the Tech section opens a fully categorized library of movie apps, live television, and utility tools. This method is much easier than using other platforms because code 72609 is a permanent one-stop shop. You do not need to keep a notebook of different library codes anymore. As a pro tip, make sure your device is connected to a 5 GHz network band instead of a 2.4 GHz connection to ensure maximum bandwidth for high-definition streams. If you ever experience loading issues, you can also change your provider settings to a public option, like DNS 8.8.8.8 to bypass local restrictions. Try out that master code 72609 to unlock the true potential of your streaming device. If this helped you, please drop a like and leave a comment to let me know which app store works best. Subscribe right now for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.